In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a cash summary in Xero. If you're managing your finances with Xero, creating a cash summary is a crucial part of understanding your cash flow and staying on top of your financial health. So, without further ado, let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to open up your Xero website. Make sure you've logged into your account, as it's essential for accessing the features we'll be covering today. If you're new to Xero, you'll find that its user-friendly interface makes tracking and managing your financials an absolute breeze. Once you're logged in and ready to go, we'll jump straight into the reporting functionalities of Xero. Now, on your dashboard, look for the reporting option. It's typically located on the main menu bar, and it's the gateway to all the financial insights Xero offers. Click on Reporting, which will lead you to a more expanded view where you'll see an option for all reports. Go ahead and click on that. This section contains a comprehensive list of all the report types you can access, letting you have a finger on the pulse of your finances with ease. Next, let's find the Cash Summary report. It's one of the most insightful reports available for tracking the movement of cash entering and exiting your business. When you click on Cash Summary, it will bring you to a new screen where we can start customizing the report according to your needs. Here comes the interesting part. Customizing your date range. The cash summary setup allows you to choose a specific date range that you'd like to review, whether you're interested in looking at the cash flow daily, monthly, or even across different fiscal quarters. Make sure you select the appropriate dates that will capture the period you're interested in. Being precise with this step ensures the summary is accurate and truly reflective of your financial activities. To add another layer of analysis, you have the option to compare your cash flow with another set of data. This could be a vital function if you're trying to spot trends or see variations over time. Make any necessary comparisons, and don't forget, Xero allows you to apply a filter to refine the details even more. As you look over the options, choose the relevant filters, and once you're satisfied, simply click Update to refresh the data brought forward in your summary. Now that you have a complete cash summary at your fingertips, you might want to either export it or save it for future reference or for sharing with stakeholders. Xero makes it straightforward to either export the summary or save it in a format that's convenient for you, such as PDF or Excel. This feature ensures that your vital financial data is readily accessible whenever you need it. And there you have it, a foolproof method to create a cash summary in Xero. By following these steps, you can effectively gain insights into the cash flow dynamics of your business in a way that's both straightforward and comprehensive. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on mastering your financial management using Xero.